Summer is in the air and love is everywhere. When life gives you lemons, you squeeze it and you make a lemonade. Welcome to my channel. Another challenge today, 5 under 5. Hosted by 3 beautiful ladies, Missy, Emily, and Jackie. I'm gonna have their channel on my description box. Farm Charm Chick, Emily. Crafty Golf, Missy. Blessed Beyond Measure, Jackie. And like she said, everybody is fabulous. DIY number 1, we're gonna need this screen art canvas and a stencil with lemons. I got this long time ago. So what I'm doing right now is I just put some tape and I'm using a white chalk paint, and with the help of sponge I'm going all over the stencil so I can make that design on the canvas, as you can see. I have never worked on a screen art canvas before, and it was a challenge for me. I found this canvas at Hobby Lobby for $3 on a clearance, and I was so excited to use it for this creation. So now when the white paint is done, I'm using a yellow for the lemons, and I'm gonna use a green one for the leaves. And then when all that is done, I just want to make sure I don't have any letters that they're not right. When all that is done, I don't like the lemon and the leaves painting, so I just took one lemon from the Dollar Tree and some leaves. I have cut it on half, and then the other half I cut it on half, and I'm gonna glue it there. And when all that is done, I'm applying a white chalk paint on the frame, just a little bit, and here you go. DIY number 2, I'm printing mirror image of lemon art French farm, and what I'm doing is on a wood plaque I'm applying a Liquitex. I purchased this wood plaque from Hobby Lobby on sale, $2.99 I believe, and now I'm adding the printable, and with the help of a rubber roller I'm rolling, and I leave it overnight. And here you go when we remove the top paper, how it look. French Farm Boutique, gorgeous piece of art for just $3-4. To bring our art more to detail, I'm adding a black chalk paint on the side of the corners. And our art is done. DIY number 3. I got these sun frames from Dollar Tree. They look like leaves to me. So what I'm doing is I'm painting them green. So basically this will be the bottom of my lemon decor that I will make. So when I paint it all green and dry, I'm airbrushing them with chalk paint on top so I can make them a little bit rustic. And now next I got these candle holders from Dollar Tree. They kind of look like a lemon. I paint them yellow, and when all that is done, I'm gonna have my leaves on the bottom and my lemons on the top, and we got a beautiful candle lemon holders. For DIY number 4, I'm using this little planter from Dollar Tree. It came in the set of 2. I'm painting it with black paint, chalk paint, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a topiary. I'm using styrofoam on the bottom. I'm gluing it so it can stay inside. And I got those sticks that we are using for grilling. I took 3 or 4 and I'm gonna glue them together and I'm gonna use them as my stem. And on top, I'm adding this green sphere that I purchased from Hobby Lobby for just $1. So when I add them together, I'm putting some tissue on the bottom, some stones to make it more sturdy, and then I'm gonna put some moss on top of it. And then I'm using those lemons from Dollar Tree that they came 3 as a set for $1, and some leaves. And then on the stem I'm gonna use those berries that I got a long time ago, yellow berries. Kind of look like a lemons to me, so I just wanted to make it more colorful, more happier looking. And we made a topiary. I hope you guys like it. DIY number 5. I'm using this one of those garden flag from Dollar Tree since I didn't have no lemon napkins, and I cut a little part, and I'm using this planter from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm gonna decoupage it with a Mod Podge just like that. And now I'm using that round wood plaque from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna make a hole so we can connect them. Previously I painted this plaque with a chalk paint, and I lost a video footage for how I connected, but as you can see, I added zip tie to connect them. And now I'm adding some greeneries, and on top I'm adding some letter that it says sweet. I lost the video footage, I don't even know how on this project. And now on the corner of the wood plaque I'm adding this yellow rope on the corners, and when all that is done I'm adding a Mod Podge. Now I'm painting those wooden lemon pieces that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm painting them yellow. I got this paint brush from Dollar Tree that it have paint and it's with brush actually. It looks really nice. And now I'm adding a white chalk paint around the corners, and I'm gonna add those on my lemon scones. On the corners I'm adding more of those yellow berries just to make more glamorous, more boutique looking. And I think this project is done. And here is the final look for all my 5 projects. It was so hard to create projects for 5 under 5. I hope you guys like it. I really love it. They're like a French farm, boutique, gorgeous, beautiful art pieces. Just a reminder, on my previous video there is a giveaway for the month of June, so make sure you enter, and the winner will be announced end of June. And after you finish watching this video, you guys make sure you follow my description box with all those beautiful ladies who are participating, the hostess and the other ladies from the playlist. You guys won't regret it. Have a wonderful day and lots of love from CeeJ and family. Until next time, bye bye.